So one of the wonderful things about working with Shyla is she is always so joyful.
All the time.
So this recipe is called Radiate Joy. It's a roll-on that will help you share the joy just like Shyla. So for this recipe, you will need a 10 milliliter roll-on, which if you are a subscriber, this is in your big bonus box. 4 drops of citrus burst essential oil, 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, and you're gonna use about 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil, which means you're gonna just fill up your 10 milliliter bottle with that.
Okay.
And if you've got a funnel, it could be helpful. So we'll add 4 drops of the citrus burst essential oil, and that is a blend of citrus oils. It's very uplifting and energizing. And then 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, which is also uplifting and energizing. Citrus oils are helpful for relieving feelings of stress and anxiety to help you radiate joy. So then you're gonna fill the rest of your roll-on with fractionated coconut oil. Once you have it in there, you'll put the lid on, or the roller cap on, and give it a shake to mix it all up. So you'll want to label it so you remember what's in it. So once it's labeled, go ahead and use it, apply it to pulse points to help radiate joy wherever you go.
Oh, it smells so good.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
And to find out more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and you can subscribe to our recipe box.
We'll get you everything you need to make this recipe and more. You can also check out our blog for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.
See you later.
So one of the wonderful things about working with Shyla is she is always so joyful.
All the time.